Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Quincy, back with another video on Stitch, the new feature on TikTok that helps you merge and blend videos together. You might be wondering, so what happened to Stitch? Keep watching, I'm gonna show you what's up. So earlier, maybe about 3 or 4 months ago, depending on when you're watching this video, I created a video showing you how to use Stitch on TikTok, which is pretty much a tutorial. And many of you liked it. You thumbs up and a couple of thumbs down. I don't know why you'd want to do that. And then lo and behold, a month or 2 or maybe even 4 weeks later, it magically disappeared. But hey, I got news for you, because apparently everyone is seeming to think when you upgrade to the latest version of TikTok, it's not there anymore. And when you try to Google what happened to Stitch, you can't find anything except for my video, which is a cool thing. But there's some other videos out there. But I found out something recently, so this is some info for you. And if you want to see my last video, it's right here. But let me show you what you were able to do in that video. So in that video, you'd be able to click on TikTok.
Celery is a nutritional
and
powerhouse.
We'll pause that. Then you can click on the share button. And Stitch would be somewhere up in here, but now Stitch is not there anymore. Stitch somehow is not on the Apple iPhone anymore. I don't know why. I have an Apple iPhone XR. Yes, I did upgrade it a couple of times. Will it ever come back? I don't know. Can I find anything on why they took it away? I don't know. It was a cool feature. When you update, for some reason, maybe they thought it was a feature that they really didn't need, and so they took it away. But I have an Android in the house. And guess what? It still has the Stitch feature on there. Why? Because it's just been sitting and it has not been updated in probably about 4 or 5 months. So let me show you once again on the Android how you can use the Stitch feature. Many people still have it, some don't. Now we're gonna pause this. This is a Samsung, and of course that's my iPhone. Screen's kind of cracked. Don't worry about that. So you have share right down there. Let's go ahead and click that share option. We're going to scroll over, and what do you know? Stitch. It's right there. Samsung, Android. If you haven't updated your phone, it's still there. Click on Stitch. It's loading, and once again, this is on Samsung because everyone is saying that it disappeared on the iOS, the Apple phones. And Stitch is where you can add either a video after that you're going to record. You can't upload a video, but you can add a video of you recording or doing something or recording the scenery around you. Allow. Introducing Stitch. Trim a video, record a new ending, share your creation. Look at that. It even says introducing. Introducing Stitch. Try it. So let's click try it.
Controller tips, part 5.
So part 5. We're going to stop at part 5. Alright, so I'm going to record after that. I'm going to go ahead and hit the next button right there. When I hit next, it is probably likely going to show me. Let's go ahead and change that around to where it's me. Yes, and that is me. You also want to make sure you turn your mic on, because I just recorded a video and had to delete it because my mic wasn't on, and so it didn't record my voice. So let's go ahead and record after what he said. He said controller tips. Yes, controller tips, that's exactly what you want to do. And hey, thank you for these tips also. Alright. Now I don't know why I can't hear him. I don't know why I couldn't hear him as we could at the beginning. So hit next, select your cover, and it's going to show right there that you're doing a stitch. It automatically puts Stitch as a hashtag. You can see right here. You can see it actually gives you options about the stitch you just created also. Who can view this video? Allow comments. Here's one right here. It says allow Stitch duet and react. So someone can stitch my stitch. So hey, there you go guys. It is still on Android, or I have a Samsung, but Stitch is still on Android. It is not for some reason on iOS anymore. I don't know why. All right, so one thing I wanted to show you that I almost forgot to show you is this is my son's account, Marion Moreland. You can find him on TikTok also. And he has 5,780 subscribers. So it is possible that you have to have over 1,000 subscribers to use Stitch. But what I also want to do while you're on here is I want to update his app on this older phone just to see if that feature will go away. If I take that feature away, he's probably gonna be so mad. Oh man, dude, this is so tripped out. It says update. Okay, should I do it? Man, I update this phone and my son be like, what happened to my Stitch feature? Not that he really using it, but anyway, let's see what happens. If it's not there, oh man, cross my fingers, oh man. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and click update. Boom. There go your Tik feature, Mari. Almost. Still installing. Alright, finally. I was trying to keep the camera on non-stop, but finally it's done. Alright, and it went straight to this. So it went straight from installing right there, which you saw a second ago, to it stopped, and now it says open. So let's click open. See if it's still there.
There it is.
So whatever video this is, let's try to stitch it. Hit share. Oh, it's still there. It's still there. What? Right there in the corner. Still there. So I'm not exactly sure, what problem people are having, but as you see, the Stitch feature is still there. Alright. Android. So it must be something going on with the Apple iOS. Hey, so it was still there on the Android phone. Once again, it's a Samsung. I don't know, but hey, congrats if you guys got Samsungs. That doesn't mean that they're better than iPhones. If you got a Samsung, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. No, I'm just glad. In this case, though, it's good because you still got the feature and you can try it out. Hey, once again, this is Quincy. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That would greatly help me out. Or feel free to check out any of my other videos. All right, talk with you soon.